Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exhilarating machines on the road right now, the 2026 Lamborghini Huracan. In this video, we're going to give you a full, unfiltered review of the car's design, interior, performance, and price, and yes, this striking blue finish absolutely deserves a moment of silence. Exterior. The exterior of the 2026 Huracan is a bold evolution of its legacy. At first glance, you'll notice that Lamborghini hasn't tried to reinvent the wheel here, instead, they've refined it. This latest iteration of the Huracan sticks to its low-slung, wedge-shaped profile that screams speed even when parked. The front end is more sculpted, featuring redesigned LED headlights with a slimmer, more aggressive look. The Y-shaped DRLs are unmistakably Lambo, futuristic and instantly recognizable. The massive air intakes up front are not just for show. They channel air directly into the radiators, improving cooling and adding real aerodynamic value. From the side, the Huracan's proportions remain perfect, a harmony of sharp lines and sweeping curves. The roofline flows seamlessly into the rear haunches, emphasizing the car's rear-wheel drive bias. Carbon fiber side skirts add both form and function, giving the car a more planted look and improving airflow. The Huracan sits on ultralight 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 rubber. Behind them, Lamborghini's carbon ceramic brakes peek out, standard equipment now, with 6-piston calipers up front. And let's not forget the carbon fiber mirrors, sleek, aerodynamic, and just cool as hell. At the rear, Lamborghini goes bold. The diffuser has grown even more pronounced, framed by dual hexagonal exhaust tips that crackle with rage. The taillights are ultra-slim with that signature Y pattern, while an electronically controlled rear wing subtly rises when speed demands more downforce. But the real star today is this color, a deep, electric blue finish that changes hue with every flicker of light. Lamborghini offers this shade under their ad personam customization program, and under natural light, it ranges from icy cobalt to midnight navy. Absolutely mesmerizing. Stepping inside the Huracan is like strapping into a fighter jet, if that fighter jet was tailored by the finest Italian craftsmen. Lamborghini keeps the drama high, even on the inside. The dashboard is a sculpted affair, filled with sharp angles and aviation-inspired switches. Everything points toward the driver, and I mean everything. This cabin was made to keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara and features integrated controls for drive modes, audio, and navigation. Behind it, a fully digital 12.3-inch TFT display gives you all the telemetry you need: speed, gear selection, G-forces, torque vectoring, the works. It can also be customized to show navigation or track data in real time. The bucket seats are trimmed in a mix of fine Italian leather and Alcantara, with contrast blue stitching that perfectly matches the exterior. The driving position is low and locked in, you don't sit in the Huracan. You wear it. In the center stack, Lamborghini's 8.4-inch touchscreen takes care of infotainment. It's been updated for 2026 with sharper graphics and better responsiveness. It handles everything from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to telemetry logs and performance settings. And yes, the signature red flip cover that hides the engine start button is still here, a small but dramatic detail that never gets old. It's tight, focused, and purpose-built. No cup holders, no wasted space. The Huracan's interior is not trying to pamper you, it's trying to make you feel alive. And now, let's talk power. Beneath this tempered glass engine cover lies the beating heart of the 2026 Huracan, a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10, one of the last of its kind in a world going hybrid and electric. This engine produces 640 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque, sent to all four wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. 0 to 60. Just 2.9 seconds. Top speed. North of 202 miles per hour. But numbers don't tell the whole story. The way this engine revs to 8,500 RPM is something you feel in your chest. It screams, no, it sings, with a voice that is mechanical, raw, and pure. It's the kind of sound that gives goosebumps. The Huracan offers 3 driving modes: Strata for daily driving, Sport for a sharper throttle and more tail-happy dynamics, and Corsa for all-out performance. In Corsa mode, the gearbox becomes brutal, the exhaust louder, and the all-wheel drive system tightens up for maximum grip. New for 2026 is Lamborghini's upgraded LDVI system, that's Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata, a central brain that controls torque vectoring, adaptive suspension, and rear-wheel steering. The result? A car that feels smaller, sharper, and more intuitive with every input. Even in tight switchbacks, the Huracan remains flat and composed. The steering is direct, and with rear-wheel steering, the car dances through curves with surprising agility. It's not just fast, it's ferociously precise. Price and verdict. Alright, let's talk about the cost of this beautiful chaos. The base price for the 2026 Lamborghini Huracan starts at around $280,000. But with options like the ad personam paint, carbon fiber package, sport seats, and premium sound, this blue beauty here is spec'd out to about $325,000. And let's be honest, no one's buying a base Huracan. Now, is it worth it? That depends. If you're looking for a car that blends stunning design, track-ready performance, and the kind of theater only an Italian supercar can provide, the answer is a resounding yes. The 2026 Huracan might not be the most practical car. It doesn't have much trunk space. It doesn't coddle. But it does something most cars can't, it makes you feel. Every drive becomes an experience. Every shift, every corner, every rev, it reminds you why you fell in love with cars in the first place. So, whether it's your dream car or just dream content, this Blue Devil from Sant'Agata proves one thing: the supercar is very much alive and still has a heartbeat. And it's beating faster than ever. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Huracan, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite thing about this car? Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and stay inspired.